Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Serena. For those of you who are new, today I'm going to do a quick kind of tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So let's get started. So to begin, I use the NYX Microbrow pencil and I use the color Espresso. I believe it's the darkest shade, second to darkest shade before black. So I take the spoolie end and I go ahead and brush out my eyebrows, try to create a shape. As you can see, my eyebrows kind of taper off at the ends. Shout out to genetics. I just stopped growing hair towards the tail end of my eyebrows. So I like the pencil because it really helps to fill it in and give those hair-like brows. So I'm going to take the pencil and I started at the beginning of my brow just very lightly since there's a lot of hair there, but really color in the back part of my brow. And then I'm going to go on top of my brow and just go across that straight line and just kind of create more of a shape. Then towards the front of my brow, as you see, I'm taking the pencil and doing light strokes going straight up to imitate eyebrow hairs rather than just coloring it in like I did the back part of my brow. So I'm doing the same thing on the other brow, kind of creating a little triangle, trying to color in all that hair. It's just been a real issue not having a lot of hair on the back end. I've gone through pomades, I've done like brow gels, I've done powder, but I found that the pencil really helps it to look the most natural. So once I'm done filling it in, I will go back with the spoolie to brush it in, and then to really define my eyebrows and give it more of a shape, I will take the NARS concealer and outline my brows. And I am using the color, it's medium dark 2.75 and Truffle. So I just like to put a little bit of the concealer on the back of my hand and take this flat angled brush that I have from e.l.f. and start from the beginning of my brow right underneath and then go to the end. And I don't want to make it too thick, but just try to keep the line as thin as possible. And then I'm going to do the other side as well. All right, and then now I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with that brush. I hate to see concealer that's kind of left out underneath your eyebrows, so I'm kind of blend that in as best as I can. And then to actually set my brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and just go ahead and set those brows in place. My brow hairs have grown out since the last time I got my eyebrows done, so I think it's time to go back again. So this brow gel definitely helps to keep those long hairs in place. So I'm just going now, kind of touching up the concealer, and now I'm going to go ahead and make the tail ends a little more sharper. So I'm going to go on top of the brow. All right, and that completes this eyebrow look. If you guys liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. See you guys next video.